What if a tiny bird could save one of Africa's most dangerous animals? Watch closely, because this little hero is about to do something incredible. Hippos spend most of their lives in water, but parasites still find a way to attack them every day. Welcome to Wild Egg Survival. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories and survival documentaries.
This tiny bird is called the oxpecker, and it survives by eating parasites from large animals.
For the bird, it's a meal. For the hippo, it's relief. A single hippo can carry hundreds of blood-sucking parasites. The bird reaches places that the hippo cannot clean itself. Every parasite removed lowers the risk of irritation and infection. The bird gets food, and the hippo gets protection. This partnership is repeated across Africa every day. Even young birds learn this survival skill from their parents. The giant animal barely notices its tiny passenger. Without help, parasites can quickly become a serious problem. The tiny bird has earned the giant's trust. Despite the hippo's enormous size, the bird has nothing to fear. Together, they remove countless parasites every week. The bird spends its entire day searching for its next meal. Nature is full of partnerships that seem impossible at first glance. One tiny bird can make a huge difference. It's a perfect example of teamwork in the wild. Small enough to be ignored, important enough to save lives. Red-billed. The tiny oxpecker may be small, but its impact is enormous. If you enjoyed this story,